Everybody back,
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished
Grab one, grab one, grab one!
Nice. Yo, let's get it stopped, brother.
Yo, Danny.
Just got ball, just got ball.
Danny.
Yeah.
Danny? Yo, oh damn, you sound different, man. Shit, you got deeper voices on. You know y'all got a game today? Your coach know y'all got a game today?
Yeah, what's about to go?
Oh, alright, nah, cause I'm calling. I'm trying to see what's going on.
Nah, we was just at a different basketball game. You right here?
Oh, alright, cool.
Alright.
Yeah.
Get yours now. Get yours now.
What's that? And one.
Daquan, you put most of them in jerseys? Yeah, y'all go over here too.
All right, just got ball.
Get it out of there. Go right up.
Hands up.
Stop ball, stop ball, stop ball, stop ball. Get in front of him, stop ball. Push it.
That's all right, fellas. Hand in face, fellas. Hand in face, hand in face, hand in face. Hand up.
Good shot. Good shot.
Can't give up that second shot, fellas.
That's the one. That's the one. That's the one.
Turn.
Push.
They gotta get the wins regardless, so I just gotta keep that in mind when I do the records. I forgot it was another team too. I'm gonna start to have to hit these niggas up during the week. Well, tomorrow, like, yo, y'all good Friday or Saturday?
Every day or some shit.
Hit me the last minute, man.
Man behind you. Man on this side. Man behind you. Man behind you. You with him, Rob. You with him. Good defense.
Nice. We in a 3-2.
Get it out of there. Get it out of there.
How y'all got now?
6-9. Elbow up.
Patient. Somebody flash middle. Good. Keep rotating. Swing it back. Have fun.
They got there.
Nice. Good shot.
Just.
Yeah.
That's you. That's bad.
I
Go
was
up.
trying to,
Yeah, my game's still running.
no. I still, I gotta call and figure out what's going on.
Backcourt.
chance to catch that first?
No.
That
Yeah,
was you.
yeah. It's definitely gonna start at 3 o'clock.
That's bad. Nah, that's
So
bad.
it's gonna start at 3.
Go to work,
Yeah.
shit.
Alright, bro. We gonna be there.
Alright.
I got Danny, Jermaine, and Danny, Jermaine, and Ryan with me already.
Alright.
Alright, bro.
Defense, bro. Without wall, right?
Everybody got a jersey, but they shy of 2 people.
That's white ball, right? Yo, hold on, now. Good defense, bro. You caused that.
Yeah.
Attack. Good layup. You good, Stan? Who got him?
No. Good defense, bro. Turn.
Damn.
Hold it. Go to the middle. Watch your back. Somebody can flash to the middle.
Good. Rebound. Slow it down.
Drop back, John. Drop back. Come in the middle.
Good layup.
Behind you. Stay. Get out of his way. How many times I got all of them, right?
Yeah.
No. Give it up.
Watch your back. Thank you. Yo, let's get a stop.
Grab one. Instant pressure. Oh, yours, man, it's yours. Oh, yours is out. Yeah, I know. Pick up early. Close it.
Little higher. Come on, take one step up. Just you good. Watch the middle. Screen.
Good
Yo,
shot.
I gotta pull that out.
That's you, Stan. Stay with him, Stan. Get the shoot. Good steal. Push it. Play it.
Yo, crazy.
Good layup.
Working, bro. Not working.
Whose man is that?
Layup. Good. There you go, Zaya. That full court ain't working. Keep ball.
He got 2.
It's fine. I'll have it.
God. Just pick him up half court.
Rebound.
No rebound. Let's go.
Slow it, round. Somebody flash. Swing it. And patient. Swing it back. Swing it.
Stay on your feet, everybody.
Flash middle. Somebody. Anybody. There we go. Swing. There we go. Go to work.
Watch out.
Go up.
On the ground, black line push.
We in foul trouble because y'all don't be on fucking time.
Hand. In his face. You gotta contest those, bro. You got middle.
Pressure.
of the players right here, walking right here.
What's your name? What's your name?
Yo, three.
I mean, y'all got a thing here.
Yo, Mo, you got two.
Y'all got like a thing trying to top us up?
Just run out there, ask them if they got rope in.
Hey, I'm back.
I think your name not there.
Should I let Poppy and like keep the jerseys or should I give them a
Yeah, give them a penny.
Swing it. Go to work. Good. Stay in that spot over there. Stay in that spot. Swing it back. Swing it back.
Spell it. N-A-L-I-K.
Watch your back.
N-A-L-I-K. What's your number?
That was your ball in that last ball. Come on, man. Help! Foul him. Watch your back. Pressure. Stay with it. And one.
White seven. One shot, seven's good.
7. You got 3.
Sub.
Yeah, I know.
There's two more coming.
Two more coming.
You said Dawn and Daniel.
Oh, Manny?
Stop ball. Slide down, Joe. Hands down. Good rotation. Watch out. Go up strong.
Shit, Eli and him
I
right
need
now.
that in one. I need that in one.
Let them know, yeah. Let them know if the other two players come. They can't play.
Judge.
16.
Full
No,
court. What happened? Violation on hold.
I gotta change my number.
Take your time.
What's your name? I got you.
Yo, that's violation.
I got you. Don't worry about it. I got you.
Yo, I need these. They're giving you free points, bro. Like, what we
2
doing?
minutes.
Pressure, full court. Grab it. Full court, you get nothing down the half. Full court. How many seconds? Get him. Who's in the middle? Brandon, come to the middle. Good. Help him. Good defense. Brandon's in the middle. Silas on the other side. All right?
Yeah, undressed, you got dressed mirror.
Yo, Stanley.
So
I
Eli?
didn't know what it was, but I walked up to him. He's like, hey, I'm out.
Eli?
Nah.
Eli.
That's it. No, not Eli.
My papi.
You two go.
O'Neal.
Please,
O'Neal out.
I don't know why they want to play.
Actually, something.
I guess they want to play for me.
Who?
A couple of them. Musa playing with them now.
I haven't played with him.
Now he's playing with me at first though.
Yeah, I know. Don't worry about it.
But I
Full
guess-
court pressure. Grab one. This one back. Please, Mike.
I'm cool with that. Like I told you, like I only got like 8 people. It's easier. 9 people. It's easier than 8 people.
Right. That's why so many players, because all of them play together at the Beacon.
Nobody bumped him. He's walking. I'm saying you walking. You walking. You walking.
Focus. Stay focused. Stay focused.
Win the game. Play ball. Ball in.
That's one right there. Just walked in.
Gotta finish though.
He got
Hands. There's the people.
Somebody flash middle.
I ain't just get this now. He was just talking wild shit and then threw in the air. I'm playing 16. Just yesterday he was playing 18. And they won yesterday, right?
No, it was.
Oh yeah, it was.
It was a good game, man. It was a close game.
Right. You can't do that.
Come on, man. Sean, corner.
You need help. That's what it is.
Put something
30 seconds.
No, we get last shot. Slow it down.
30 feet.
20 seconds.
Drop back, Sean. Drop back, Sean. Protect the baseline, Sean.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was hot.
Yeah.
Go right back.
Nah, look at that.
So they're going right back. They got right in the block.
For that next one.
That's the thing. They don't go to the class. They didn't want to tell you how to do your job. That's why I always say, what's my third word? Coach your team. Just coach your team. Don't worry about what we're doing. You know what I'm saying? Because first of all, there is no 5-second count no more until you pick the ball up. And he never picked the ball up. And he's dribbling the basketball. As long as I'm dribbling the basketball, there's no 5-second count. Nothing in high school basketball. The only time it's a game, when I pick the ball up. If I'm holding the ball, it's a 5-second count. As soon as I put the ball in the front, can't stop. As soon as I pick it back up, can't start again.
2 players that you just marked in the book.
Nah, they was in already.
Oh, you just
One
got to put them in.
one will get attacked.
Tell Larry.
Larry.
Got a technical foul on White. So gray, yeah, gray shoe and 2, yeah. Black shoe and 2.
Yo, look, number 10. What you said to Nalik? You not in the books, right?
All right, that's what he's shooting for.
Wait. Why is he shooting?
Nah, Nalik wasn't in the
He
book.
wasn't in the books.
I just put him in.
Everybody else
Yes,
is
he is.
Oh, see?
He's in the book.
He good.
All right, good.
Thank you, coach.
Apologize.
Why would he spell his name N-A-L-I-K?
I
All right, bet.
I spelled it.
That's what it was. Thank you.
Grab one. Who gotta love it?
6. defense is go back. Man, just for the next game. Get this
Nah.
out of here.
Oh, there go Giannis right here.
Okay.
Giannis. Save you the energy, man. You want to sit there trying to figure out who to play.
I thought we beat the Wolves, a very good team.
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Slow. Look up.
Hands, fellas. Box out.
Right there.
Attack the middle. There you go. Good. Bang. Good shot. Yo, let's get a stop now, fellas. Let's go. Hands in his face. Get your guard. Let's go, Gracie. He's good. We good. Let's go inside.
Close the lanes. Push.
Hand in his face. Nice. Don't force it. That's all right. Good job, Brandon. Come up now. There you go. He touched it last. Ooh. Good defense, John. Good defense, John. Go backward. Yes. Hands. Keep it. You're going to the basket on that, correct?
Go 2-3 on the inbounds. Protect strong side, protect paint. Rod, your side.
Stay where you at. Too late. Now go. You can go back, boy. Yes, take it away. Head up.
Look up.
God.
Oh, shit. Forgot I got one more player, too.
Come on, fellas. It ain't over yet. Come on, let's go.
Right there at the door, see it? That's Rod
Come on, fellas. Get that back. Side, go help him.
Full court. Y'all back it up.
Brandon, come on, hard over. Good. Good. I'm not saying you shoot too far. Good defense, Brandon. Yeah. Come on, fellas, we're giving up too many. Giving me hopefully. Stop the ball, let's get it stopped. Close.
Right here? You see Rob?
Nah, he not.
Hands.
I was like, who you Where's TD jersey?
Over the back, thank you.
TD.
TD.
The nigga with New Jersey on.
The one that's putting the.
The
The
rebound.
one with the corner, Marcus corner.
That was on us?
You know what I'm talking about? TD. The short.
Oh yeah.
What's his jersey?
Give him a
He
penny.
get a jersey.
I'm gonna give him a penny. How many players you got?
Unless you want to
I
pull.
see about 3 niggas I don't even know on my team, to be honest.
I gotta look at niggas who's there.
Cause I know most
Where's
of
the help? Make sure the help is there. Make sure the help is there.
Like I said, Musa decided to go over there. Compete with I decided to play with them.
Where's the help?
Our team. So they got 15 people, maybe 16.
Josh, switch that. You guard him.
I
Rob
don't
guard
even
him.
know who
Guard
number
him.
2 is for one. Never even seen him a day in my life. Wait, who's number 2? No, number 2 right here.
Hold on, I know my main team, to be honest. I'm saying, but okay, I don't care about who man can play with who man. I don't care. So whoever man was to play on their team, they get the jersey up and give them TD. Because TD's on the team.
Who's number 2?
That's why I say TD.
I don't know who that is.
I'm cool to keep the nigga at the top and then the other tall nigga. I'm cool to keep them two, but I don't know half these other niggas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell number 2. Ask him what his name is. If he ain't played last week, he ain't playing. Yeah, because these niggas, they be bringing niggas and shit like that, man. Never know who's who.
So they want to play with them. I don't know.
Hands.
That's the beacon one.
There you go.
I never even seen them in the fucking beacon.
I'm talking about Musa. I'm talking about.
Where's his
Oh,
help?
nah, I understand Musa. You know what I mean?
Musa. Who else over there? Oh, you're definitely right. I definitely.
Lay him up, lay him.
Sean, get that ball up quicker. Yo, we catch you.
But I never seen number 2 before. This is my first time seeing him. Like, so somebody just giving him a jersey. Like, you see what I'm saying? Somebody just said, yeah, he played with us. Tell him number 2.
Hands.
Yeah, boxing out on the rebound.
Get stronger. You and him. Whoever's guarding him. I don't know who's guarding him. Get up, fight over that. Fight over that. Good pass. Good defense. Good rebound. Swing it. Go to work. 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 Stay on your feet. Good. Time out.
Yo, off the court, yo. Yo.
Here we go. Here we go. Josh, come here. Just get quarter. Get quarter. Take elbow. There you go. You got ball. You want to pass the ball, take it from him. Roman,
got the one in the corner. Hands. Extra steal. God.
Yo, we gotta get those. We a step slow, fellas. Hand his face.
Pressure. Go back up. Pressure.
Where's his help? Where's his help? Josh, you good? Somebody get Josh. Josh, everybody get. Yeah. Everybody. Good boy. Oh, actually, no. Oh, no, come back. Oh, Josh.
Get down, y'all. Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down.
Get down. Number 8.
Get down, bro. Number 8, O'Neal, get down, bro.
Yo, why are y'all jumping for every head fake? Josh. Go get the ball. You got middle.
Good defense. Don't worry about the inbound. If somebody play help.
Pick up, man.
Slow. Don't rush him slow.
Let's go, brothers. Stop. Watch the middle.
You gotta move from there. Good job.
Box out.
Good job, Mo. Good job, Mo.
Second shot again. Whole fucking game.
Gotta box out. Wait, so he has to
Nah. Yeah. Get down, bro. Get down.
Yo, where's the rebound? Lee, get on line for mom. Switch. I don't understand how he got an offensive rebound.
They mess with him, right?
Yeah, because they all from the same area, that's why.
They on the way?
Yeah. I see one of his players, yeah. Two actually, that's Chad.
Come up.
He got 3 with him on the cross, so that's 5. Say he should be here by 3 o'clock.
Hands.
Get out of here.
It's yours.
1 minute.
Get back, get back, get back! 1-3-1, get back there! 1-3-1, get back! Get back! Swing, swing, swing! And one more! Let it fly!
Game, y'all game, y'all game, y'all game.
Yeah, 50. Who the player again?
Sandy, number 5, bro, White. Game, y'all. Good game, y'all.
Yeah, number 5, Stanley.
Right here, look.
Who's Illy? Illy, go.
Coach.
I got you.
Guys, got referees. That's the referees.